Other than that, you're pretty much done. All you need to do is put this back piece back on, just take it and press it back into place, and you're done. It really is that simple. All right, so the new armrest is in. Man, that looks good. So whether you're doing an update, because maybe yours is beat up, or you're doing an upgrade like this M Performance, it really is the same process on just pretty much all the BMWs. Really straightforward. Man, that looks good. I really like that. Really not a hard project. It only takes a few simple tools. All right, y'all, it's all done, so go ahead and clean them, put your tools away, though you probably used only 1 or 2 total. But there's no reason why you couldn't do this work yourself and really refresh your car or do an upgrade like I am in my case. And I really love doing work like this. It also allows for personalization of your particular car and how you want it set up. So I'm really excited to have this in my car. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel. I would honestly really appreciate it. Plus, I have a ton of new content coming, plus a tremendous amount of new G87 videos that you're gonna wanna see. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on my next project.